How would you like to make money online giving away free stuff? Yes, it is completely possible and totally legit. And it's a great introduction to building an online business. Hey, it's Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do this in today's video. So how is this done? Free plus shipping offers. There are offers out there online that people are offering something for free if someone just pays the shipping, and they allow you to promote this. It is great marketing because people love free stuff. And sure, they'll pay some money in shipping if they get something for free. I'm going to show you exactly how you can start offering other people's free stuff with these free plus shipping offers. So step one is to find the offer you want to work with. And we're actually going to head over to clickbank.com, and we're going to find free plus shipping offers. So if you haven't yet signed up for Clickbank, it's totally free to join. Go to clickbank.com, select to join, fill out the information, and then you're going to have an account and you can promote their offers for free. It's a great website to work with. Once you have an account with Clickbank and you've logged in, go ahead and click on this marketplace link at the very top of the page. And this is going to give you all of the offers that you are able to promote and to make money with. So let's actually search in the find products field for free plus shipping. And here are going to come up all the offers that are promoted as a free offer that they only pay shipping for. Now, if you see, this is a bracelet, free plus shipping, and on average, you'll make $9.48 when somebody makes a sale. This is a spiral vegetable shredder. You make $6.66 a sale. This is a pendant that you can promote, and you can make $8.79 per sale. Exercise bands, self-defense survival belt, $6.39. All of these are different offers that are free plus shipping. So you can give it away and you make money. It's also a really great way to start building an email list. So in general, you do want to look for the gravity score on all of the listings, because that's going to tell you basically how well the offer converts, that people actually go through and make the purchase for the shipping. So the higher the score, the better. So find something that you think is pretty cool and that you think you could create some content around. So if you love cooking, this spiral vegetable shredder may be a really good option for you. But I thought this one was kind of neat, so I thought let's go ahead with this one. This is a self-defense and survival belt, free plus shipping. If you click on the link, it's actually going to open up to the sales page, and he has a video that I can't pause. But so this is the full page that your customers, your potential customers will see, and it's pretty cool. They got a belt, and you can pull off a knife with the belt. Kind of a man's man survival sort of thing. It's kind of neat. And if you're a dude, you like outdoorsy stuff, you like self-defense stuff, this might be a really interesting thing for you to work with and a great way to make money online. So if you look through this, you can read all of the kind of the copywriting and how they do how they are making the pitch for this free belt. They click this button. This is what's called a two-step opt-in. So they're going to have to put their name and email address here, and then they click the next button, and it's going to go to the shipping information where they're going to have to put in their credit card and their shipping information. Looks like a great sales page. So if you decide you want to work with this belt, click on this promote button here and then generate the links, and this is the link that you would actually use. So the very best way to do this is to take this link, and if you have ClickFunnels, My Lead System Pro, something that allows you to make customizable capture pages, then have an opt-in page first and use some of the copywriting that was on that sales page, have them opt in with their name and email, and then you can send them to that sales page secondary. And then you're building an email list that you can do follow-ups with, and you can also put other offers in front of them as well. If you don't have a way to make customizable capture pages quite yet, that's okay. You can still make some money. Not as optimal, but it is doable. Just grab this link. You can put this behind a bit.ly link so it looks a little nicer. But this is the link that you would actually use. And when people purchase through this link, you earn the commissions associated with it. Now, step number 2 is to build an audience that's likely to be interested in your offer. And there's really 2 places to me that come to mind as the easiest way to do this. First off is just Instagram. Instagram is a great place for you to do this, but you could potentially also do YouTube. Now, I wouldn't do a full YouTube channel if this, self-defense stuff really isn't your thing, but you just want to do this one promotion and make money with this one offer. Then you can maybe create an Instagram account for it. YouTube is more of a longer play. If you're really into self-defense or survival things or prepping and that sort of stuff, it might be a great option. You could do a whole YouTube channel about that, and this can be one of the offers that you provide on your channel. But if you don't want to do it long term and you just want to make money on this one single offer, then probably Instagram is the best bet. So what would you do on Instagram? Number one, you create an account. And number two, you provide value that speaks to that target audience. So if we look at the self-defense kind of crowd, people interested in self-defense, guys, it's a guy's belt, so focus on guys who are interested in self-defense. Provide them value, and you don't have to create this yourself. You can find things that other people have posted on Instagram and just share them to your account. And then in your captions, in your bio, you can direct people to click on the link in your bio, in your website link that's going to send them off to that free offer. Now, I actually found an Instagram account that would actually work really well for this free plus shipping offer. I don't really know what this guy does necessarily, but he is definitely into self-defense, and this kind of content obviously fits with the type of offer that we are putting out there. So he's got all kinds of self-defense stuff about holsters and different things. This would be a great account that you could kind of look at and get some ideas from. But what he would do here, if he wanted to promote that offer, in this website link, he would have either the link to the capture page that he sets up for it so he can generate the lead, or just the direct order link that's cookied to you for this offer. In the bio up above it, he's going to tell them two things. Number one, why people should follow him. And number two, tell them to click to get this free offer. So he's going to provide content, but he does, every 5 posts, really 4 or 5 posts, he wants to, in the caption at least, sometimes in the image, wants to direct people to click on this link to get this free plus shipping offer. When you're making your posts, definitely use hashtags and reshare content that is viral, that people have really responded to. If you need help on learning how to reshare stuff on Instagram, I'll put an info card on the upper right corner of this screen so that you can see a video, a tutorial that we did where I teach people how to do that specifically. Now, to learn more about how to create a successful online business to go from 0 to 6 figures and beyond, make sure that you click the link in the description for some amazing training, because what I just walked you through here, it works great, but it's just the tip of the iceberg. So make sure that you click the link at the top of the description so you get access to that training. Now, please know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So if you're new to the channel, well, you gotta subscribe so that we can help you do that. Say hi in the comments so we can welcome you to the community. Again, this is Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com. Head over to the video in the upper right corner of the screen, and I'll see you soon.